So a quick recap. On the candle that's broke outside the Bollinger Band, our stop loss goes 5 pips above the highest point and our entry is 5 pips below. And it's obviously a good sign of a setup if your entry is back inside the Bollinger Band once it gets triggered. Okay, so what this is going to be called, if there was another candle to appear, right, that broke the high of the candle that closed outside the Bollinger Band, this would what we would be classed as serious exhaustion. Okay, and this would be an even better setup to take. So what you would do is you'd go 5 pips above this candle if the candle broke the confirmation candle's high. So this is a bit more advanced and how to really draw some better profits out of your trade. But we will try and get across that in a more advanced video later on. This is this most simple system that I'm going to teach you on this course, and it is absolutely great for the complete beginners. So you've already worked out your entry and your stop loss. So the only thing left is, where do we take profit? Okay. Well, we do take profit by simply hitting the bottom Bollinger Band. So if we've shorted outside the top Bollinger Band, as soon as the lower Bollinger Band gets touched, i.e. here, you are out the market. So on this trade, this would be the candle that would have closed your position as soon as it touched. So a lot of people say to me, how on earth am I going to know if my candle has touched the bottom Bollinger Band or not? And it's really, really simple. Simply click on the Bollinger Band, go up to your alerts, add an alert. We're going to look for a value. So we've got Bollinger Band. Okay. So the basis is whether or not it's the upper or lower band. So if we're going to short this market, we will select the lower band. Right, and we will write a message. Close trade, price has hit. Okay. And this is the most simplest way for your TradingView platform to send you a message, send you an email, even email to your phone, telling you that your trade has taken profit. We do not stalk or run, how can I put this? Trail stop losses. Is literally a case of you will trade this system from A to B. So you will enter the market with the post candle and you will only take profit once it hits the bottom Bollinger Band. And that is completely it. It's the most simple system ever. Okay, and I'm sure you guys will have a lot of success for this. And for you new traders out there, if you've got any problems whatsoever, please feel free to contact me. So just to recap what we've gone over, you can see that here we've hit the top Bollinger Band and the market has actually closed ever so slightly outside of the Bollinger Band. If this is not a good enough confirmation for you, you do not have to trade this setup. So what you would do, 5 pips above, we go 5 pips above. I'm only going to roughly do this for you quickly. So 5 pips above is roughly there, so that would be our entry, our stop loss, sorry. Right, and then we'd roughly go about 5 pips below the entry, and we will trade this all the way till it touched the Bollinger Band. But unfortunately, this was a very, very quick trade, and you can see that the market has become oversold because it's actually closed outside of the Bollinger Band. So this would be an exit point. You wouldn't have got all this profit, which hindsight is showing us, because that's not part of the system. You really need to treat a system like you're building Lego. If you do not follow the instructions, you will not end up with the model that's at the end. Okay. So in the next video, I'm going to be looking at actually taking a live trade with you for this. And then once the trade is finished, I will actually post the finished results.